another one.
We are, and I wouldn't change that for nothing. No. We are, everybody else out there bluffing. Cause I've been on my grind for a minute, working hard for that spinach, and I'm never gonna stop for nothing. The windows in my ride, always steady, driving high, always grinning, working hard for my brothers and cousins. That's real talk.
Now I know you must be thinking, man, what is this white boy drinking, getting high, throwing five in this word to Mr. Lincoln. We so loud it's probably stinking, burning quick, don't get to blinking, or you'll probably never hit it, but I will know Jada Pinkett. Whoops, I think we going through hard times, these hard rhymes can split your noggin like car bombs and high minds. Wait, but one time for the mills who sit at home, never working and no got in their guilt. Like Noah's Ark, yeah, I built all this shit on my own. I keep an Arizona next to me when rolling the zone. My mama cry when I'm gone, on the road leaving home. But hey, I promise that we'll keep it touching over the phone, cause I'm destined to blow in a matter of time. Let's have a toast and get high, yo, wait, but after the wine, just an average guy on the road to success. And I never take my life for granted, boy, I know that I'm blessed, I'm good.
We are, and I wouldn't change that for nothing. No. We are, everybody else out there bluffing. Cause I've been on my grind for a minute, working hard for that spinach, and I'm never gonna stop for nothing. The windows in my ride, always steady, driving high, always grinning, working hard for my brothers and cousins. That's real talk.
I might have took a minor break, but I'm back to claim the throne. And gonna be traveling the globe, but still have time to make it home. You gon' meet the dial tone, cause girl, I'm hella busy, and I knew this all would happen. Hey, I didn't think this quickly, yeah, emotions got me iffy, but it's just to put it simply, my life is so good and all, but it just ain't worth the envy. I need to get my head straight, can't settle for next place. Chicago in the morning, New York City the next day. Hey, what a beautiful day, spreading the love and my passion in a musical way.